guys, today we are at another pasture. I gotta pull forward. We are at a different pasture today and we are checking for new calves. At this pasture it is calving season, so you never know from day to day. That's right, if you're gonna have new babies. So we check them every day and we tag them. My head hurts really bad because I just hit my head on the roof. You can't see it, but there's a huge red mark here. So just me and Honey today. I'll turn you guys around to so y'all can see the ladies. So we have a list. This set of cows we blood test. So the bull is put in with the cows when they are open, unbred, so not pregnant, for a period of time of 60-90 days. And then we wait another 60 days or so. And then we actually can pull blood from the underneath of their tail head. We send that off to a vet's office, and that they can tell if the hormone level is high enough to consider them bred or if they're open. So it gives a better estimate of time when you can expect to have babies. So we have record of each cow in their ear tag who was bred, so we have an idea of who is going to who we should expect to have a baby. So we're going to ride around and check the pasture today for any new babies. So this is a new baby, well, born this week, but it's already been tagged. But I just wanted to show you guys them nursing. I just think it's so sweet to see them. Another little baby. And if you see, let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. If you see that little green tag right there, there's a baby laying there hiding. So that's probably the mama there. So far we haven't seen any new babies, but it's still good to ride around and check on, make sure everybody's doing good, no problems, fences it down, all that good stuff. Here's some of the babies. They've already been tagged, ear tag. You can see their green ear tags in there. We just like to watch them because they're so neat. See them run around and play. This one's coming right up here. How many babies are there already? You know? 10? Yeah. This cow we call the granny cow because she's old. I don't even know how old she is. one of the original ones here at this pasture, but she's getting pretty close to calving too. A way you can tell they're getting close is that their udders or bag, we call it bagging up. Their udders will start to get full. The milk is starting to come in, and their hind end, their vulva is starting to get swollen, and they'll start to dilate. So you can tell that they're getting close. So you'll know to keep an eye on those closer. You know, a closer eye on those. So yeah, she's just enjoying some time in the water to cool off. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna ride around and check for cows that don't have calves that are starting to bag up. So we'll check in with you later. Over here is the bull pasture, and we're gonna feed them a little bit of pellets so they'll come up. And the white bull there is, his name is Harold, or H. He is a purebred Charolais bull. He will actually get to go in with the ladies next month. And the white-faced cow there, she's actually going to be going to the market. She is beyond the age of, to be healthy enough to breed. So the big black guy back there, that is a Big Mac. He's relatively new. He's not been but less than a year. And he is a purebred. Let me make sure y'all can see. He is a purebred Angus. The little guy coming back, he's also purebred Angus. He was born here in this pasture, and he has been separated out. He'll be raised for a herd bull as well, or sold for a herd bull. So yeah. They're always afraid that one cow's going to get more than the other, so they always... I can't see pretty good. Let's get out.
Go here, Rope.
Hey, buddy. Yeah. Hey, buddy. He's just worried about getting pellets. It's the best side of Big Mac. Hey, buddy. Spoilt rotten is what they are. But it's good to keep them like that. Keeps them easier to handle when you have to work them in the pens. So they're just enjoying some pellets. Has a little bit of nutrition for them. It's more like a sweet treat, really. So there's the boys. And one companion cow is what we call her. Alright guys, we're done checking these cows for today. Today's Sunday. So, what are we going to do now?
Go home and grill some chicken.
Chicken wings.
And get ready for the adventures tomorrow.
Yep. Excuse my appearance today, guys. My hair's looking a little messy. It's been a lazy Sunday, right?
Yep.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing the cows today. Another adventure of the farm life. See y'all next time.
Bye.